How to save project in Capcut PC or laptop 2023. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to save project in Capcut PC or laptop 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So in here I have an open project, so I can just add anything that I want. I can add media, templates, stock videos, or photos. So for example, in here I will add a media or a stock video. So in here I can just drag it until it head over to the line. So you can do anything that you want in this and edit it as long as you want. And then after you're satisfied with everything, what you need to do next is to just save it, right? Now the best thing about CapCut is it automatically saves everything that you have done, so you don't need to save it again. So in here, as you can see, I have now added my video. So if I want to save it, I can just automatically save it as it is. So now that I have saved it, I can now do is export it in order to share it to friends. So just click on export right here, then just change the file name, the resolution, advanced settings right here, and from there you can just export it on your CapCut. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to save project in CapCut PC or laptop 2023. If you have questions or comments, kindly put them in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.